For over 6 decades, Better Engineering has been a leader in automated parts washing innovation, designing, building, and supporting complete aqueous cleaning systems entirely in-house. We are proud to showcase another example of that engineering expertise, a custom Cyberjet conveyorized wash system, designed to clean returnable dunnage used throughout modern logistics and manufacturing operations. Built for flexibility, throughput, and long-term reliability, this system helps keep reusable packaging moving efficiently through the supply chain. This multi-lane conveyor wash system is engineered to process a wide variety of reusable packaging components, including totes, pallets, trays, dividers, and slip sheets. Designed for high-mix operations, the system can clean 53 different SKUs of returnable dunnage while maintaining consistent wash quality and throughput. Parts are manually loaded from skids onto the conveyor and move through the automated wash process at speeds of up to 20 feet per minute, enabling continuous, high-volume operation. With a 72-inch belt width and up to 48 inches of internal vertical clearance, the washer accommodates everything from small totes to large pallets and trays. At the core of the system is a 3-lane guide rail configuration designed to keep different product types organized as they move through the washer. One adjustable lane is dedicated to totes, allowing multiple tote styles to run simultaneously. 2 dedicated lanes handle dividers and slip sheets, while a 3rd lane processes smaller pallets and trays. This multi-lane design maximizes conveyor capacity and allows operators to efficiently clean a broad range of packaging types within the same system. It also maximizes maintenance access. Once loaded, parts travel through 4 sequential process stages designed to remove contamination and prepare packaging for immediate reuse. The first stage is an S7 recirculated wash module. Next, parts enter a dedicated S7 delabel stage. Following the wash stages, components pass through an S5 recirculated rinse module. Finally, parts move through the DH heated dry module. Maintenance accessibility was a key design priority for this system. Large vertical access doors provide wide openings into each module, allowing maintenance personnel to easily inspect spray headers and internal components. The C72 Cyberjet multi-lane wash system is engineered to meet the demands of modern returnable packaging operations. By combining multi-lane flexibility, integrated delabeling capability, powerful gas-heated wash stages, and robust stainless steel construction, it delivers the cleanliness and performance our customers depend on. Clean, perform, excel, our way.